ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Sheet required, steel sheet required to make how many? To make 1000 basins. This is the question. First write down the question, try to understand the question. We are going to do the problem now. What is the company doing? It is going to form or going to manufacture basins. How are the basins? They are looking like hemispheres. Hemispherical basins are to be made. How many in number? 1000. What is the dimension given? Radius 21 centimeter. So let me draw the figure first. Solution is, first draw a figure. A basin is to be formed. So this is the base. This is the basin. What is the radius? R is equal to 21 centimeter. And now, how basins are made? What is a basin? A basin, does it have a top? No, it's a basin like thing. So it doesn't have a top. What is the surface area? Surface area of hemisphere. What is the total surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square. What is the surface area of a hemisphere? Half, without the top. It is 2 pi r square. What is pi value given? Is any value given here? In the examination generally they give pi is equal to 22/7 units, like that they may give. So surface area of a hemisphere is 2 times 22/7 times 21 into 21. 7 goes here 3 times. 3 into 2 6 into 22 into 21. You need to multiply all this. 6 into 21 is 126 into 22. What is 126 into 22? Which is 2772. You can see here, you can verify here. Multiplication is 2772 centimeter square. Or you can say that square centimeter, because the radius is given as centimeter. Somewhere here it is mentioned. It is 21 centimeter. So we have taken here R is equal to 21 centimeter. The surface area of one basin is 2772 square centimeter. 1000 basins surface area. 1000 times 2772, am I right? 1000 times 2772. So it is 2772,000 square centimeters. It is square centimeter. Suppose if you take 1000 square centimeter, it is a meter square. you can write it as 277.2 square meters. So what is the question? Find the area of the steel sheet required. So steel sheet required is 277.2 square meters. This is the question which is very important, asked in the examination for several times. So all of you take down this figure and write down this. The steel sheet required is 277.2 square meter sheet. So take down this, I will explain the same once again. It is a very important problem. You can make use of this figure and draw the figure, write each and every step clearly in the examination. So I hope you must have already written the problem followed by the answer. A company wants to manufacture 1000 basins. What basins? Hemispherical basins. Hemispherical means what? Sphere half. Hemisphere. Half of the sphere. Hemisphere. What is the dimension given? Radius is 21 centimeter. What is the surface area of a hemisphere formula? Simplification, multiplication in terms of square centimeter. 1000 basins total surface area, not total surface area, only without open. It is an open basin without top. That means the top is not closed. It is an open basin. The total surface area is 1000 times 2772 square centimeter, which is 277,230 square centimeter. We can convert this into square meters by dividing with 1000. So this is the way you have to answer the question, which is a very important question asked several times in the examination. So there are some word problems which are very important in the examination point of view. A right circular cylinder has base radius 14 centimeter. A right circular cylinder has, is there any board vacant so that we can make use of this? No. Okay. We will take this problem later otherwise, or else I will just erase this portion and we shall continue to do a small problem like this. A right circular cylinder has base radius 14 centimeter and height 21 centimeter. I am just drawing the writing the data here with the help of this. What is the data given? The data given is that it is a different problem. I am going to do that. A right circular cylinder has base radius 14 centimeter, height 21 centimeter. So it is example 3. Example, a right circular cylinder, the radius is mentioned. What is the radius given? Radius is 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Height is equal to, I want to see the question once again. A right circular cylinder has base radius 14 centimeter and height 21 centimeter. Height is 21 centimeter. Now you are asked to find what is the area of a base and what is the curved surface area, what is the total surface area, what is the volume. And now tell me, first question, area of base. What is the base here? Circle. Circle base. What is the area? Pi r square. 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 14 two times. 44 into 14. 44 into 14 square units. 44 into 4. 44 into 14. 440 and something like that, which ends with 6. So 616 square centimeter. What is the second question asked? Curved surface area. Second question asked for this is curved surface area of this particular right circular cylinder. 2 pi r h. What is the height? 21 centimeter. What is the radius? 14 centimeter. 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 21. 7 goes 3 times, 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 10, 60, 84, 22 into 84, which is the total, which is the curved surface area, which is, I'm just writing the answer here, 1848 square centimeter. What is the third question asked? Total surface area. What is TSA? LSA plus 2 times pi r square. Am I right? What is LSA you got? 1848 plus 2 times 616. This on simplification is approximately more than 3000, which is 3080 square centimeter. And what is the fourth one asked? Volume. Volume is pi r square h. 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 21. We can simplify it further. 7 goes 3 times, 3 into 2, 66, 14 into 14 is 196. That gives the answer. I am writing the answer here, 12936 cubic units or cubic centimeter. Look at the problem. A right circular cylinder is given with the dimensions like this. You are asked to find the area of the base, curved surface area, and the total surface area and the volume. This is also a word problem which is very important from the examination point of view. So let me wind up the class by saying that what you learned today. So we are learning mensuration. I am taking the first board once again for you. In the first board, mensuration chapter, we are talking about prism. A prism having got a area of cross section, triangle is a triangular prism. If it is a rectangle, it is called cuboid. If it is a square, it is called a cube. Otherwise, they are called pentagonal, hexagonal, and so on. But in our examination syllabus, we have only a limited solids. We can talk about these 3 or 4. And at the same time, sphere and hemisphere, right circular cone and right circular cylinder, and cube, right circular cylinder, right circular cone, right circular cube, cuboid, and hemisphere, sphere, right prism. These are the things which we have in our mensuration chapter. We have to do so many word problems. Here today we have learnt in our 2 or 3 classes only 3 or 4 problems and more about the formulae. But at the same time, if at all you don't memorize this formulae, it is of little difficult to do the calculation part in the examination. You must have noticed that when I am doing the problem, I am not multiplying in front of you, but I am just writing the answers. But you are supposed to multiply it in your exam and put the units, sometimes square units, sometimes cubic units, or whatsoever it may be. So in your examination, you are supposed to answer, present it in a beautiful way with a geometrical figure, whether it is a 3-dimensional or whatsoever it may be, with the dimensions mentioned, then only you will be given full marks. I hope you all are benefited by the way we are teaching you through these video lectures, which I am giving recording for you on behalf of Venkana academic classes at this. And at the same point of time, I would like to appeal to the students and parents that you must visit our branches at Chintal and Tarnaka to make more use of your academic career, and we have fully equipped good faculty facilities and faculty available here. You can visit our branches to make sure that your career is good. And with this, I'm just saying bye for today's class, and we'll try to learn it in our future course of time, more word problems about these mensuration topics.
Hello students, my name is Vishal Kumar Sharma and I did my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Right now I am associated with K. Venkana classes and at K Venkana classes we are bringing your IIT top Delhi faculties. I am an HOD of mathematics at K Venkana classes. Okay. Now if you are choosing MPC, then you will have a chance to be taught under top Delhi faculties. If you are choosing BIPC as your subject, then you will have not only IIT faculties as well as a proper doctor teaching you. Similarly, we have if you are choosing MEC and CEC, so after second year for your CA-CPT exam, we have a very expert faculty specializing in CA-CPT. So what are you waiting for? Come and join KVC.
Welcome back, students. I am Yogananda, representing Venkana classes and recording all these sessions for you for class 10 students of both the states Telangana and AP. We are now dealing with a chapter which is very important chapter in class 10, mensuration, wherein you will find the volume, the total surface area, lateral surface area or curved surface area, like that for solids. In our previous class you learnt about this volumes of few problems, word problems, and now we are going to deal with some more word problems. Let me write one word problem. Almost all these problems in this chapter are word problems only. So let me write one problem. This is a worked example in Telangana State textbook. Example 6, page number 249. Now I am writing the problem. Find the volume and surface area. Find the volume and surface area of a sphere of radius 2.1 centimeter. Use pi is equal to 22/7. This is what is given in the problem. So when this kind of data is given, you must make use of the data, otherwise you can leave it like that. Let me read the problem once again. Find the volume and surface area of a sphere of radius 2.1 centimeter. It is a 4-mark question. Find the volume and surface area of a sphere. So you must draw a sphere first of all. So to draw a sphere, all that you need to do is draw a circle and another circle inside like this. This is a 3-dimensional figure which is a sphere. Which is a sphere. It is a 3-dimensional figure which you can write like this, draw like this in the examination too as a sphere. So here we are asked to find what? Surface area and volume. First shall we find the volume or surface area? First he has asked us to find the volume. What is the radius of the sphere given? This is radius R, I will mention here. For the given sphere, radius R is equal to 2.1 centimeter. So you must draw the figure followed by the given data and write one after another all the steps. So what is the volume formula? We know that volume of sphere V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi is 22/7 given. So you must make use of the given data. 22/7. What is R? 2.1 centimeter. So I will write 2.1 as 21/10. 21/10 into 21/10. This is what you have to simplify. The simplification part is to be taken care of. If you can't simplify it correctly, your answer is not correct, so you may lose half mark or 1 mark. So be careful about that. What is 3 into 7? 21. So this 21 is gone. Now 4 into 22, 88, into 21 into 21, 441, divided by 10 into 10 into 10, 1000. So if you multiply 88 into 441, you will get 38,808. 38,808 by 1000, which is 38.808 cubic centimeters. This is the answer. What is all this? This is volume of a sphere. So you are asked to find the volume. One, we found volume. Next, what is the other quantity you have to find? 2, surface area. Surface area, I write it as SA. What is surface area formula for a sphere? You must recollect the surface area of a sphere. What is that? 4 pi r square. For hemisphere, what is the formula? 2 pi r square. So it is 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 10 into 21 by 10. So 7 goes here 3 times. 3 into 4, 12 into 22 into 21 divided by 100. So you must simplify this so that you will get the answer, which is 5554. I am writing it here. You can multiply it later and verify. 5544 by 100 gives 55.44 square centimeter. So what is that you are asked to find? The volume of a sphere. And what is the other quantity you are asked to find? Surface area. So now we found both. Find the volume and surface area of a sphere and volume and surface area of a sphere having radius 2.1 centimeter. Use pi equal to 22 by 7. First formula, second formula, the problem is done. So you can make use of this and take a note of this. So shall I leave it like this? Can you take a screenshot of this? You can. Draw a solid figure like that. You must draw a figure. Then you must write the given data. Then you must apply wherever formula is there, you must write the formula. Even if the working part goes wrong, even for the formula you will be given marks. Always make a habit of writing the formula and write this as like this. Formula should be mentioned always. Given problem, solution, what is the given data, what is asked, what is the formula applied, what is the simplification, what is the final answer. What is asked, write the formula, simplification part and final marks. So it is a 4-mark question, 2 marks for this and 2 marks for that. In 2 marks also writing the formula and simplification 1 mark, and getting the answer, exact answer 1 mark. So like that the marks are divided. Now let us do one more problem. Find the volume and total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 3.5 centimeter. This is example 7, page 250. Find the volume and the total surface area and the total surface area of a hemisphere. Hemisphere means half. Hemisphere of radius 3.5 centimeter. This is the question. And here also you are given that use pi is equal to 22 by 7 approximately.